Question 3. Write the answers of the following questions in 120 words. I. How do industries pollute the environment? Answer. Industries contribute to environmental pollution in several significant ways. Air pollution arises from the emission of harmful gases like sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide, along with particulate matter from factories, which can lead to respiratory issues and other health problems. Water pollution occurs when industrial waste, including chemicals and heavy metals, is discharged into rivers and lakes, contaminating aquatic ecosystems and drinking water sources. Land pollution is caused by the improper disposal of solid waste and hazardous materials, which can degrade soil quality and harm plant life. Additionally, noise pollution from machinery and industrial processes can lead to health issues such as stress and hearing impairment. Overall, industrial activities pose a serious threat to both environmental and public health, necessitating stringent regulations and sustainable practices.